Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by shutting the main water supply and opening a faucet to relieve pressure. This prevents sprays and makes repairs safe. Once drained, use a flashlight to inspect seams, fittings, and the tank body for wetness or corrosion. Make sure to gather a wrench, plumber's tape, epoxy or rubber patch, and a bucket so you don't interrupt the process. This immediate action reduces further damage and positions you to fix the leak quickly and effectively. Once done with the initial check, isolate the leak by removing or loosening nearby piping. You want clear access. If it's a threaded joint, unwrap old tape, dry threads, wrap fresh plumber's tape 3-4 times, and tighten evenly to avoid cracking. For small holes or rusted spots, sand to bare metal, clean, then apply epoxy or a rubber patch per product instructions. Hold or brace until cured. Make sure to check mounting bolts and replace corroded valves to prevent recurrence. You're nearly done. Slowly restore water flow while watching the repaired area for any seepage. Sudden full pressure can reveal weak spots. If the repair holds, tighten fittings to final spec and clean up excess sealant. If leakage continues or the tank wall is compromised, replace the tank or call a professional. Temporary patches buy time but are not always permanent. One troubleshooting tip: if slow weeping continues, depressurize and reapply epoxy after proper surface prep. Lingering moisture prevents adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.